I watch movies on weekends. I watch movies on weekends.
I play chess with my brother. I play chess with my brother.
I fly kites in windy weather. I fly kites in windy weather. I make things with my hands. I make things with my hands. I go fishing with my father. I go fishing with my father. I take photos of nature. I take photos of nature. I grow flowers on my balcony. I grow flowers on my balcony. I read books every evening. I read books every evening. I bake cakes on special days. I bake cakes on special days. I collect stamps from different countries. I collect stamps from different countries. I solve puzzles in my free time. I solve puzzles in my free time.
I run in the morning sometimes. I run in the morning sometimes.
I write short poems sometimes. I write short poems sometimes. I watch cooking videos online. I watch cooking videos online. I go swimming in the summer.
I go swimming in the summer.
I enjoy every minute of my hobbies. I enjoy every minute of my hobbies.
I sing along to my favorite songs. I sing along to my favorite songs.
I believe hobbies make life better. I believe hobbies make life better. I learn new languages for fun. Fun. I do yoga to relax. I do yoga to relax.
I ride my bike in the park. I ride my bike in the park.
I like action and comedy movies. I like action and comedy movies. I cook new recipes at home. I cook new recipes at home.
I paint with watercolors sometimes. I paint with watercolors sometimes. I listen to music every day. I listen to music every day.
I draw pictures in my notebook. I draw pictures in my notebook.
I enjoy my free time a lot. 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 I like reading short stories. I like reading short stories.
I play the guitar at home. I play the guitar at home. I go swimming in the summer. I go swimming in the summer.